How to completely sign out or log out Gmail account from laptop or PC. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another tutorial, and on today's video we will learn how we can completely sign out or log out Gmail account on your laptop or PC. So without any further ado, let's get started with this video. Open up Gmail, and if you're already logged in with an account and you want to sign out completely, on this inbox page, navigate to top right corner and click on your profile icon. Once you're here, scroll down and click on Sign Out of All Accounts. And you're completely logged out now. Now, in order to remove an account, click on Remove an Account. Now, choose the account that you wish to remove from this browser or from your laptop. Click on it and click on Yes, Remove, and with that you have completely logged out your Gmail account on your laptop or PC. That's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.